everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a great Elvis Presley song called Mystery Train. It was written by a gentleman named Junior Parker. Now Elvis Presley's version peaked at number 11 on something called the National Billboard Country Charts in 1955. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. And then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Elvis Presley song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through Mystery Train, you're going to need to know 3 chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is an E major. You're going to need to know an A chord. And finally, a bar chord. It's just simply called a B bar chord. Now, I'll admit that bar chord is awful and it's not very easy to play, especially if you're a beginner. Little secret here. There's an alternative chord that could work for this song. That might be a little bit easier for you to play, and it's a B7. That's it. If you struggle with bar chords, but you want to learn this song, that's an alternative chord that could work for you, and certainly does work for this song. With that said, let's get to the cover.
Train I ride, 16 coaches long. Train I ride, 16 coaches long. Well, that long black train, oh, my baby ain't gone. Train, train, coming round the bend. Train, train, coming round the bend. Well, they took my baby, but it never will again. Train, train, coming down the line. Train, train, coming down the line. Well, it's bringing my baby, 'cause she's mine, oh mine, oh she's mine. Train, train,
let's jump right into the chord progression. Now, with only 3 chords to learn, it does make this song very, very easy to play. The challenge, if you're a beginner, is the tempo. The tempo is very, very quick to this song, and you're definitely going to need to practice that in order to get it down perfectly. Now, the song is primarily made up of verses and choruses. There's really not much in the way of a bridge, although in Elvis Presley's original version, there is a bit of a break where a lead guitar solo is played. At that part in the song, I simply just strum the chord progression over again. You can do whatever you want to do. With that said, let's get to the chord progression. Okay, starting on the E major chord. The song goes something like this. Train I ride, 16 coaches long. Train I ride, 16 coaches long. Well, that long black train took my baby and gone. And that's it. You simply repeat that over and over again throughout the entire song. Very, very easy to play. There you have it, a quick lesson today. Mystery Train by Elvis Presley. Thank you for tuning in to My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.